immense pride and honor to welcome you all to the Invest Teacher Ceremony 2026-27 of Little Flower School, Kalvari. Today marks a memorable occasion where students' representatives and teachers' representatives are entrusted with responsibilities and encouraged to become role models for others.
We are highly privileged to have among us our respected Chief Guest, Reverend Father Georgin CST, Vice Principal of Little Flower School, Narayangarh, Nepal, and Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Ebin CST, Superior, Little Flower Ashram, Kerala.
We also extend our warm welcome to our respected Principal, Reverend Father Shinto CST, Headmistress, Sister Pushpa, teachers and dear students.
Prayer is the key that opens the door to peace, wisdom, and success. Through this beautiful performance, our student seeks divine blessings for a successful academic year ahead.
शरण तिहारे आए,
शरण तिहारे आए,
हे परमेश्वर, हे प्राणेश्वर,
हे परमेश्वर, हे प्राणेश्वर,
नमन करें हम स्वामी। शरण तिहारे आए,
शरण तिहारे आए,
मालिक तू है स्वामी, तू इस जग का विधाता।
तू है मालिक, तू है स्वामी, तू इस जग का विधाता।
तुझको पाए, तुझको निहारे,
तुझको पाए, तुझको निहारे,
जीवन में सुख पाए,
जीवन में सुख पाए।
शरण तिहारे आए,
शरण तिहारे आए,
तू उजियारा, उज्ज्वल करता जीवन।
दीपक उजियारा, उज्ज्वल करता जीवन।
नमन करे हम गाए गुणगान,
नमन करे हम गाए गुणगान।
तू इस जग का स्वामी। स्वामी
तू इस जग का स्वामी
शरण तिहारे आए
शरण तिहारे
हे परमेश्वर हे प्राणेश्वर
परमेश्वर हे प्राणेश्वर
नमन करे हम स्वामी शरण तिहारे आए
शरण तिहारे
शरण तिहारे आए।
Good morning to all gathered here. Most honorable guest of the day, Reverend Father Jojin CST, the Vice Principal of Little Flower School, Narayangarh, Nepal. Reverend Father Abin CST, Superior, Little Flower Ashram, Kerala. Respected Principal, Reverend Father Shinto, Headmistress Sister Pushpa, esteemed teachers, and my dear loving students. It is my privilege and honor to welcome you all to this occasion, the investiture ceremony of our school. It marks an important milestone in the lives of our young leaders as they step forward to take responsibility and uphold the values and traditions of our institution. An investiture ceremony is not just about wearing badges or upholding positions. It is about embracing duties with a sincerity, integrity, and commitment. It is a movement that reminds us that leadership is earned through hard work, discipline, and the willingness to serve others. Now, I would like to express my heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Jojin CST, and our guest of honor, Reverend Father Abin CST, for being the part of this ceremony and spending their valuable time with us. Welcome, dear fathers. I would like to welcome respected Father Shinto, the principal of our school, for arranging such a beautiful program. Welcome, dear Father. Now I welcome our headmistress, dear Sister Pushpa, and dear teachers for their constant guidance and support. Welcome, dear sister and teachers. I also welcome you all, my loving students, to witness this ceremony and to wish and to congratulate them. As we begin this ceremony, let us pledge to work together to uphold the dignity and honor to our school. May the new team of leaders carry forward the legacy with dedication and enthusiasm. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. Thank you and most welcome to all.
Zubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam, zubi dubi nache, you pagal stupid man.
Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam, zubi dubi nache, you pagal stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
ओ बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam,
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man Zooby dooby pampara Zooby dooby parampam Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man
रिम झिम सन 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 हवा टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियां
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू
आई 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 ज़ूबी डूबी पंपारा ज़ूबी डूबी parampam
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man Hey Zooby dooby pampara Zooby dooby parampa Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man अंबर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा उठला के गा रहा
हेरा अकेले तन्हा मुझे छोड़े आके तू
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू
आई आई आई
Zooby dooby pampara Zooby dooby parampa Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man
Zooby dooby pampara Zooby dooby parampa
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man Zooby dooby
dooby dooby dooby dooby
Zooby dooby stupid man
Do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of Little Flower School Kalwari and will do to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the rules and regulations of Little Flower School Kalwari, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the students and staff of Little Flower School Kalwari.
congratulations to all the office bearers. May you lead the school with
Reverend Father George in CST, Reverend Father Ebin CST, and our Honorable Principal Father Shinto CST for changing the badge. Newly elected student council members are School Leader Adul Agrahari, Assistant School Leader Ananya Srivastav, School Captain Ritika Yadav, Vice Captain Sumit, LCS Secretary Adya, Assistant LCS Secretary Divyanti.
Now we are moving to the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected student council members. I request our principal, Father Shinto CST, for administering the oath.
I, of Little Flower School, Kalvari, in front of you and my respected teachers, promise to God the Almighty to do my best in carrying out my duties as an official representative of the school. I swear to be truthful and just in whatever I do. I hereby dedicate myself completely to work for the well-being of our school. I will always be humble and service-minded while carrying out my responsibilities. I promise to be a role model to my friends.
I, Ananya Srivastav, the Assistant School Leader of Little Flower School, Kalvari, 12 May 2026.
I, Ritika, the school captain of Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
I am Divyanki, the LCA Joint Secretary of Little Flower School, Kalwari, on 12th May 2025.
I, Adya, the LCA Secretary of Little Flower School, Kalwari, on 12 May 2026. I, Sumit Kumar, the Assistant School Captain of Little Flower School, Kalwari, on 12 May 2026.
Congratulations to our newly elected student council members on taking the oath of office, which is such pride and commitment. Vice Captain Rishikesh Pandey, Yellow House Captain Priyansh, Vice Captain Anshika Rao. Now, I request Reverend Father Georgin CST and Reverend Father Epin CST to kindly come forward for the badge changing ceremony and confer the badges upon our newly elected house captains.
Now we are moving to the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected house captains. I request our principal, Reverend Father Shinto CST, for administering the oath.
Friends,
I, Others, the captain of Blue House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
Shanvi Singh, the Vice Captain of Blue House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
Divyans, the captain of Little Flower 2026.
Yadav, the Vice Captain of Greenhouse, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026. I, Anshika Rao, the Vice Captain of Yellow House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
I, Priyansu, the captain of Yellow House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
I, Rishikesh Pandey, the Vice Captain of Red House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
I, Yash Upadhyay, the Captain of Red House, Little Flower School, Kalwari, 12th May 2026.
Congratulations to the newly appointed leaders. May your leadership inspire others through your actions and values.
La 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 leo. La leo 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 leo. Le la 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 leo. La leo 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 leo. Ay caramba.
फ्री बैठ के हमको मक्खी नहीं मारना, हर दाव जीतेंगे हम, आता ये खाके था पेड़े जो एड़े से टेढ़े बने हैं तो हम क्या करें जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के
बोलना
हिप हिप हुर्रे ला 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 ले सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे ला 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 ले ला 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 ले देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे हंस पड़ी रो पड़ी है ये उल्टी खोपड़ी दिल के गांव में है जिंदगी की झोपड़ी बब 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 बेतुकी मंडली सर फिरों की मंडली होच पाच हो रखी है जिनकी कुंडली क्या करेंगे थक्के चल लगा दे धक्के क्या करेंगे थक्के लगा दे धक्के बिन बुलाई मुसीबत से पंजा लड़ाने से हम ना डरे जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के
बोलना
हिप हिप हुर्रे ला 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 ले सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे ला 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 ले ला 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 ले देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के
बोलना
ला 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 ले सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे ला 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 ले ला 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 ले देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे सितारे ला 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 ले सबके होठों पे चर्चे हैं हमारे ला 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 ले ला 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 ले देखो ज़मीं पे उतरे हैं सितारे
Thank you, dear students, for the beautiful and heart-touching performance. Guidance from experienced leaders always inspire us to move forward on the right path.
Now, we respectfully invite our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father George in CST, to share his valuable message and to bless us.
Respected Principal Father Shindo, Father Ebin, dear sisters, teachers, and my dear students. Good morning, all. Good morning. It's a great joy and privilege for me to be present here today for this beautiful investiture ceremony. I sincerely thank the school management, Father Shindo, the principal, and the staff for inviting me as the chief guest on this important occasion. Today is not merely a function of distributing badges or titles. It's a ceremony of trust, responsibility, and leadership. The students who have taken oath today have not received the symbols of power, but the symbols of service. True leadership is not about commanding others. It is about inspiring others through good example, discipline, honesty, and hard work. Dear student leaders, from today onwards, many younger students will look at you and learn from you. Your words, your behavior, and your attitude will influence others. Therefore, lead not with pride, but with humility, not with fear, but with the responsibility. I would like to share a small inspirational story. Once, a teacher placed a glass of water before her students and asked, "How heavy is the glass?" The students gave different answers. Then the teacher said, "The actual weight does not matter. What matters is how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute, it is easy. If I hold it for an hour, my hand will pain. And if I hold it for a all day, I may not even be able to move my hand. Then she explained, problems and responsibilities in life are like this glass. If we carry them with confidence and balance, we can manage them well. But if we carry them with fear, stress, laziness, they become a burden. Dear students, leadership also works the same way. Responsibility is not a burden when it is carried with dedication, teamwork, and positive attitude. Our society and our nation need young people who are honest, compassionate, disciplined, and courageous. Leadership begins not in big offices, but in small daily actions which we perform in our school. Helping a friend, respecting teachers, being punctual for classes, speaking truth, and standing for what is right. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the teachers. Behind every successful student, there are sacrifices, encouragement, and guidance from you teachers. Your efforts are shaping the future society. To all the office bearers who have taken the oath today, I encourage you to lead an example. Be responsible, be available to help others, and use your position not for privilege but for service. Remember, a good leader is not the one who has most followers, but the one who creates more leaders. May this ceremony inspire each and every one of you present here to dream big, work hard, and to grow responsibly in your school days. I once again thank each and every one of you for this opportunity. Once again, wishing you all thank you.
आज मौसम सुहाना सा लगता है, दिल में प्यार उमंगों से छाई है। आज मौसम सुहाना सा लगता है, दिल में प्यार उमंगों से छाई है। आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है। आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है। Congratulations, congratulations, दिल से congratulations, 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 दिल से congratulations। आज मौसम सुहाना सा लगता है, दिल में प्यार उमंग से छाई है। आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है। बरसों से था हमें इंतजार आज के इस दिन का। बरसों से था हमें इंतजार आज के इस दिन का। आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है। आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है। Congratulations, congratulations, दिल से congratulations। congratulations, congratulations, दिल से congratulations. आपको पाके हमें ऐसा लगा चांद सितारे मिल गए. आपको पाके हमें ऐसा लगा चांद सितारे मिल गए. आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है. आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है. Congratulations, congratulations, दिल से congratulations, 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 दिल से congratulations. आज ये मौसम सुहाना सा लगता है, दिल में प्यार उमंग से छाई है. आज ये मौसम सुहाना सा लगता है, दिल में प्यार उमंग से छाई है. आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है. आपको पाके दिल में खुशी अब छाई है. Congratulations, congratulations, दिल से congratulations, दिल से congratulations, दिल से congratulations, दिल से congratulations.
Good morning to all of you gathered here. Respected Chief Guest, Father Jojin, Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Abin, our respected Principal, Father Shinto Varakil CST, Headmistress, Sister Puspa, dear teachers, and my dear students. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of investiture ceremony. First and foremost, we thank Almighty God for making this event a grand success. A special thank to our chief guest, Father Jojin, and guest of honor, Father Abin, for gracing us with your presence and inspiring our newly elected leaders with your message. Thank you so much, dear fathers.
Good morning, dear students. Are you all tired? No? Yeah, good. So I also take this opportunity to give a word of thanks and appreciation to all of you. We have our chief guest, Father Jojin. He is coming from Nepal. It is our neighboring country. We have a school in Nepal also, and Father is working there as a vice principal. So he is coming from another country. Is it? So we are very privileged to have the presence of Father Jojin as a chief guest, and we have another father as a guest of honor, Father Ebin. He is coming from Kerala. That is also far from UP. That shows their love towards our LFS family. So let us give a big round of applause to our chief guest and guest of honor. Today, one of our media in charge, Raju sir, made a poster to upload in the WhatsApp group and the Instagram. And in that poster, it is written, leadership is not about a title. It's about action, example, and inspiring others. And while taking the oath, the teachers and the students representative told that there will be a model. So it is a great responsibility. So you have to be a role model to others in your action, in your words.
Thank you, dear Father and Jyoti ma'am, for expressing gratitude to everyone who contributed to this successful event.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता